What's up, my real ones? Today we have Moe's. It's welcome to Moe's Tofu Kids Burrito. This is the sauce. I got the red sauce. It's pretty good. I needed something super low cal today. Low calorie. I have like 10 minutes to eat. The only thing I don't be liking about these places, like, which is good, you can come in and eat fast, but like Moe's and Chipotle, that junk don't be fresh. It be sitting sometime. Okay, the red sauce good. I want to try. I'm gonna try this hot stuff that they got. Like, I forgot what it's called, but it's already making my eyes burn. Oh, I appreciate how they wrapped this though. She wrapped this junk with perfection. A little spicy. That junk here. Okay. Now I'm gonna try this green verde sauce. I can already smell the cilantro jumping down my throat, baby. Let's see. Not much flavor, like, it's alright. Okay, we got that. I thought I had, oh crap. We had some sauce still in the bag, baby. Oh, that's tragic. Alright. Oh! These tops are popping off like popcorn. I don't want to get all this junk on me. I'm gonna try. I thought I got another sauce. I got two different green sauces. I'm gonna try this one. Yeah, I do not have much time. Is this the one I just tried? I hope I ain't making no mess, y'all, because I got a kid's cup. Welcome to Moe's. Baby, rushing. I'm about to go get my hair done. Shout out to my guy Lance. Shout out to my guy. I could probably call him at 12 o'clock at night and be like, Lance, I need my hair done. He probably like, all right, come on through, baby. He's so sweet to me. But I might have to get some of this sauce and pour it in my salsa, cause that sauce so good. No junk spicy. Alright. Y'all, glory be to God. I'm going on a trip tomorrow. Solo trip. Which means no husband, no kid. And I'm about to enjoy my time with God. Why am I eating these chips like I ain't got no burrito? I'm not even a chip eater. What is that about? Moe's, baby. I don't know what my top is. Damn. A greedy good. Oh, that's my top. I think I filled these up too much. So when I'm opening it, baby, I know what to do. That's my favorite song on the radio right now. Mm-hmm. We'll never let go. Alright, yeah, I gotta be serious, cause who got all this time to dance? Me. I'm running back to you. Mm-mm-mm. Oh my gosh. Mm-mm. I ain't showing y'all no more. Mm-mm. Let me turn that off, cause your video is sharing ads. Hope this don't tear my stomach up. I didn't think about that. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Y'all, I ain't think this through. Eating Mexican before I go sit and get my hair done. I don't need my stomach to be funny. What was I thinking, y'all? To be honest, I was thinking I need something fast that I could run into and not have no long wait. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Okay. That junk is spicy. That's why I get all these salsa, because I already done went through 2 cups. Mm-mm-mm. It's still early. Mm-hmm. Still early, so I can eat there. As long as I don't eat nothing else. It's funny, I got Chipotle napkins because I don't have any napkins in my bag. So I had to get it out of my glove compartment. Mm-mm-mm. Yo, this junk so flipping spicy and I ain't mad at it. I need some old sauce. And that junk so spicy. And I'm loving it. Like Mickey D, baby. Oh, let me dip a little bit to take some sauce out. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Believe it or not, I am not a carb eater. Mm-mm. I don't like eating in the car because I don't like mess. You see in the back, I got my dog's blanket back there. So he don't mess up my seats. And I never get tofu when I go places, but it was like 108 calories. So I was like, okay, I can deal with that. Mm-mm. 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 Okay, y'all. We in good timing still. I don't want to be late. I wish all restaurants would just let you order off the kids menu if you want a smaller portion. You know? and not give you the side eye. Because it was like, when I asked for that kid's burrito, baby, she looked like it was coming out of her own pocket. She won't have no grace with me. She was like, pickled jalapeno or fresh. And I took 1 second to answer. She's like, these are pickled, these are jalapeno. It's like, girl, baby, I know. I'm just having a brain fart because I've been at work all day. But what's up with like workers always taking their job so serious sometimes? I ain't trying to be mean, but that jump be egging me like when you ask for extra sauce and they be acting like it's coming out their paycheck. Oh, what is that? Hold up. That's a piece of hair in my salsa. Alright, so I can't eat that salsa. Oh, I'm gonna throw that chip in there. Party is over. I found hair in my salsa. It's over. Probably will not be back in a long time. Cause that junk just really like, the hair messed with me. Like, I ain't gonna lie. That junk messed with me. Glory be to God I seen it, cause God know my heart. You're probably telling me to stop talking junk, and he know how I feel about hair. Like, that's party over, baby. Then I got some of this, that vitamin water. Alright, y'all. Y'all have a beautiful, blessed day. I got junk in my tea. Don't let the cares of this world get you down, baby. I've been trying to float through this life recently. Trying to stay positive. Yeah, I'm looking for my phone. You know you slow when you looking for your phone and you on it. I'm like, dang, it was in here. Now I'm looking for my lip gloss. Y'all, my favorite lip gloss, no flex. I go to Victoria's Secret. I've been using that lip gloss for years. It's my favorite, like years, like over 10 years. 10 years. Yes. 10 plus years. I love it. It's not thick as it used to be. You know, everything is becoming different. But y'all be blessed. I'm about to head over here, get my hair dyed and fried, baby. I'm about to get my hair a different color, and we about to kick it and have fun on this trip, baby. I go to the airport in the morning. I'm about to turn up. Like, I'm about to have so much fun. Let my hair down, have fun, live life, smile, be a blessing. I shouldn't have ate that burrito. Did it make me fat, guys? I love y'all, man. Keep supporting. You already know the vibes. We lit. We don't trip. Mwah.